Good Monday, makers. Welcome back to another episode of Maker Pipe Monday. It is where we showcase all of the Maker Pipe builds that have been posted to the community throughout the week. Let's take a look at the builds. The first build we have is by Enrique. He's got a Honda Element that he turned into a family camping vehicle, and this is fantastic. He's got the rooftop tent, he's got the cooking and the tables and the seats right here out front, and then he made a canopy, a custom canopy, out of Conduit and Maker Pipe. And he says it's about 6 by 8, and it worked out really good for him. He said he saved a bunch of money and was able to do it fairly easily. And what he did was he took just some pieces of conduit, used our T connectors to make the verticals going down, the supports in the front, T connectors to make this corner, and it looks like T connectors in the back that he attached to the roof rack. And he's got a fantastic awning and overall just a great family camping vehicle out of a Honda Element. So Enrique, thanks for sharing. Great job. We're glad it worked out for you. Next build we have is by Kenneth, and he made this fantastic desk. I mean, more monitors, 6 monitors is more better. And once you get past how many monitors there are, check out this. He did a lot of woodworking here and combined that with Maker Pipe. So this whole top section looks like he made with this nice top hutch section here and these lower shelves, these lower cubbies, and then that all sits on a Maker Pipe frame, which he either painted or wrapped in black, and then he's got shelves on either side with a keyboard. Just really cool desk, put it all on casters so it can roll around, and did a fantastic job, Kenneth. Thanks so much for sharing. We love seeing that. The next one we have is by Chris. Chris made a golf simulator at home in his garage, and he used Maker Pipe for the frame to hold the projection screen. So he's really got a cool setup here. This looks like a great place to spend an evening or a Saturday. But he's got the artificial turf here, his golf clubs. He's even got a heater up here, which can't get any better. And net on either side hanging from the ceiling. And then this is where our connectors and conduit come in. He made this frame that he zip tied a screen to, and then it's self-supporting as well. It looks like it stands up on its own. The game gets projected to the back here, and then he's hitting the course anytime he wants. That's really fantastic. Chris, I'm glad it worked out for you. Thanks so much for sharing. Really cool build. Next one is another desk, another custom desk that was built by Hung, and check this out, he did not only the desk part, but also this workstation tool storage in the back. So he took pegboard and mounted it on this back section, and then even did an overhanging light. And the way he did the overhanging light, I like, he went off this top bar with a T connector, did a 45 to brace it against the pegboard, and he's got a light and even a wire rack on there for some more storage. And this is the neat part. Check this out. He did a custom mount for his computer case and then his backup power supply. So that's right here. Hey, kitty. And then this is what it looks like, where he mounted his computer, his backup power supply, kept it out of the way to give him more desk room for those beautiful monitors and then a work area. So Hung, great. Oh, what did we just see? Oh, we saw a driving simulator over here. That's cool. Hopefully we get to see that maybe. I'd love to see someone do a driving simulator out of Maker Pipe, maybe one day. But Hung, great job on the desk. Fantastic job. Thanks so much for sharing. And then the last one we've got this week is kind of a hack. If you're trying to get conduit home from Home Depot, Lowe's, the hardware store, and you've got a smaller vehicle, sometimes that can be tricky. You know, you're hanging it out the window or something to get this 10-foot stick home. I mean, worst case scenario, you have to cut it and carry it home in smaller pieces. But check out what this customer did. They actually used Maker Pipe and conduit to get their Conduit home in their Honda CR-V. So they made this H-frame that supported the Conduit as it went all the way up to the windshield. And you got to be really careful because you don't want to stop short, and that's what this cardboard is here. You don't want to put Conduit through the windshield, but this is a great way to keep it off the dash, and it's supported all the way down to the floor with that simple 2-connector H-frame. Really neat idea to get Conduit home in a small car. So thanks everybody for watching. Please let us know which was your favorite build for this week. And if you want to see more details about the builds, click the link in the description below to find out more information straight from the makers. And if you like these builds and if you want to see more, please consider subscribing to the channel. We'd love to have you. We'll see you next time.